A woman who flew halfway around the world to adopt a malnourished Bulgarian orphan after seeing a picture of him on Facebook has shared pictures showing his incredible transformation a year later. When Stacy Liz saw the Bulgarian boy Isaac on social media platforms, especially Facebook, he didn't think twice about the distance between her and this desperate boy. The boy was transferred a few days ago to one of the orphanages in Bulgaria after he was cushioning the streets, and the boy was severely malnourished, especially after he was found in one of the deserted streets where he went on for days or even months, especially with the bad situation of this poor child that his family abandoned him in a humiliating way. A few days later, Stacy arrived in the Bulgarian territory to try to give this child the opportunity for a better life. The boy weighed only 6 pounds at the age of 4. Stacy stayed with the child Isaac for 2 weeks in Bulgaria until the adoption procedures were completed there. The 4-year-old Bulgarian boy who needs urgent medical attention. In the first indications that the boy lived most of his life before this day, which will change his life forever in a cage, like the cages where we put dogs and pets, and that he never saw the sunlight. Stacy was very moved by what she heard about the child. The first meeting was pretty scary. He was skin and bones. He literally looked like a skeleton, Stacy told Inside Edition. When she took the boy to walk a little and walk with him, who kept his eye closed for minutes because he was not accustomed to exposure to light before these 2 years in the cage. As soon as I arrived in the United States, we immediately took the child to the hospital and tried to save the child's life in every way possible. The first thing that went through my head was, he's going to die. Isaac spent his first 2 weeks in the U.S. in hospital and was readmitted soon after being discharged and stayed for an additional month. Since coming to America, it's been discovered Isaac suffers from cerebral palsy, microcephaly, scoliosis, clubbed feet, and dwarfism. Stacy, who's already the mother of other adopted children, now months later has gained weight and is healthy. Quite different from when she was discovered by Isaac, who's closely monitored by several doctors, since a long time of her condition has caused some sequels, but already admits some smiles. They were a little nervous about expanding their family, but they trusted in God, and they knew it was the right thing to do. If they could give one child a chance at a better life, they'd be serving God. Although he continued with some doctors because his health was very deteriorated, we can say that he needs to program and follow his health until he's completely stabilized. But the child's now more active and on the move and has become a wonderful relationship with his new family. The child has a better future than the previous one if he remained in his previous state to die as soon as possible. But today he changed the future. He laughs and smiles because he now enjoys the warmth of the family, which he missed throughout his previous life. 12 months after Isaac was taken to the U.S., Miss Stacy shared pictures of what he looks like now on social media. He's grown significantly over the past month and currently weighs 23 pounds. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.